Welcome back to Bosco Campus Vision. This is Ansi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, Don Bosco College, Kottayam. In this semester, I teach you a paper, Informatics. Dear students, in the fourth semester, you have the paper Informatics. It encompasses of 4 modules. Module 1 comprises of Informatics and Introduction. Second module, Basic Hardware and Software. Third module contains Operating Systems. And the last one is Networking and the Internet. In this lecture, we are discussing an introduction of informatics. What is informatics? Informatics can be defined as the study, design, development, implementation, support or management of computer-based information systems are known as informatics. Informatics or IT is used as a tool for efficient study of several fields of knowledge. When informatics is applied for the study of biology, it is called as bioinformatics. When it is used for the study of health science, we have health informatics. Almost all subject areas apply informatics for studying the subject more accurately at the minutest level. In short, informatics can be defined as the combination of computer science and information science. So what is informatics? Informatics can be defined as the study, design, development, implementation, support of management of computer-based information systems. As we all know that, what is a computer? Computer is not an acronym. It is a word derived from the word compute, which means to calculate. Some people say that computer stands for Common Operating Machine, purposely used for technological and educational research. A computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data. Also, a computer is a programmable device that stores, retrieves, and processes data. The term computer was originally given to humans who performed numerical calculations using mechanical calculations such as the abacus and slide rule. The term was later given to a mechanical device as they began replacing the human computers. Today's computers are electronic devices that accept data. It is also known as input data, and then process that data and then produce output and store the results. So what is a computer? Computers are electronic devices that accept data, then process it and then produce a result and store the result. Next, going to the topic, history and development of computers. Communication techniques have been ever changing and ever becoming. Right from symbolic gestures to virtual reality, humanity has traveled a long distance. Every time, the growth in the quantity of information made communication systems inadequate. The growth of information and growth in the number and variety of users posed serious challenges in the storage, processing, and retrieval of information. Humanity has become evolving newer techniques to make information processing and transfer more flexible and transparent. Also, the most important of the limitation is that retrieving a required piece of information from a large collection poses serious problems. Another important problem is the barriers of space and time. The third problem was storage space. Therefore, the thinking was how to develop a communication system that could solve the above problems. So first problem is retrieving a required piece of information from a large collection of data. Then second problem is barriers of space and time. Then the third problem is the storage space. It was Charles Babbage during the 1820s who conceived the idea that information could be processed using a machine. He also developed two machines called difference engine and analytical engine, which are considered the prototypes of information processing machine. As Charles Babbage was thinking for ahead of this time, he could not materialize his objective. Charles Babbage has been considered the father of modern computer technology. A machine language that could store and manipulate information using a machine could be developed only during the 1930s. A great mathematician, Claude Shannon, developed a system of symbolic language that could be used for storing information in machines. He found out that the on and off positions of an electric switch could be used to represent two values such as true or false, right or wrong, and present or absent. He defined the on position as 1 and the off position as 0. By combining a number of switches, we can multiply zeros and ones. അതായത് 1930s ഈ ഇൻഫർമേഷൻസ് സ്റ്റോർ ചെയ്യാനും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ മാനിപ്പുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാനുള്ള ഒരു മിഷൻ ഡെവലപ്പ് ചെയ്തിരുന്നത്. അത് കഴിഞ്ഞ ശേഷം ക്ലോഡ് ഷാൺ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ ഒരു മാത്തമെറ്റീഷ്യൻ ആയിരുന്നു ഒരു സ്വിച്ചിൻ്റെ ഓൺ പൊസിഷനെ 1 എന്നും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ഓഫ് പൊസിഷനെ 0 എന്നും റെപ്രസെൻ്റ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ട് കൊണ്ടുവന്നത്. Definite number of zeros and ones could represent a specified value such as digits in a number system and characters in an alphabet. Thus, a language was developed for storing information in machines. As this language used only two characters, that is ones and 0, it was called binary language. Each digit in the binary system, either 0 or 1, is called a bit. A unit of 8 bits is called a byte. 8 bit ചേരുന്നതാണ് ഒരു byte എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. A byte is used to represent characters and digits. Characters യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ് byte എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. For example, the letter A in the English alphabet is represented by the byte 01000001 and B represented by the byte 01000011. Similarly, the number 1 is represented by the byte 11110001 and the number 2 is represented by the byte 11110010. In this manner, every bit of information can be represented digitally. There are international standards which specify binary equivalent of digits and other units of information. The two international standards which specify 8-bit equivalent of letters and digits are the Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange, that is EBCDIC, and then ASCII. ASCII means American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So what is a byte? A byte is used to represent characters and digits. A unit of 8 bits is called a byte. Then what is a bit? Each digit in the binary system, either 0 or 1, is called a bit. Today's assignment question is, what is informatics? Second question, define the history and development of computers.